Hello teachers. So today I'm gonna show you how to upload a Zoom video to your YouTube account. First, you have to create a new account to Gmail. So you click on create account for myself. You're gonna fill all these blanks and then you're gonna hit next, and then it's gonna create a new account for you. In my case, I already have an account. So if you already have an account, you just have to link it to YouTube, and then it's going to automatically set you up a YouTube account. To add a video, you have to create a video and more. Here, upload video. But you don't have the video yet, so I'm going to show you how to download your video from Zoom. Here's my Zoom. After you record your sessions with your kids, you go to grabaciones or recordings, I guess in English. I have it in Spanish in this case. So mine from Monday, I had a second one on Monday with a student. Here, it's downloaded. So if I would like to upload this one into YouTube, I would only have to look for it in my files and upload it like this. Just drag it from your files to YouTube, and it's gonna be private until you publish it. So here you write the title, for example, Zoom meeting with Mia, because that's my case. That's a video with Mia Corro. I had a personal one with her. Zoom conference with a student. That's your description of the video. Yes, it's made for kids. So, and then you have to wait until it's uploaded. Click on next. You have to wait until it's processed. Here in visibility, you can just make it public, unlisted, or private. I'm going to choose private because I'm not going to actually share with the parents, but you can put it public so everyone everyone that has the link will have access to the video. Next, and save. And here you go. It's going to be uploaded, and then you can just get the link from here. If I go and click it, it's going to show me the Zoom meeting that I had with my student.